How to lock a folder in MacBook, whether you are using MacBook Pro, MacBook Air or iMac. This tutorial is helpful for you. So let's get started. First, create a folder which you want to lock. For the sake of testing, I am naming it locked folder. After creating a folder, select all files which you want in your locked folder and paste it here. As you can see here, all the files and images. Now go to search bar or press command plus space bar and search disk utility. Click it here. Now go to file. Here you can see blank image and image from folder. I am clicking image from folder. Here we need to select a folder, locked folder. Choose it. Here we need to set encryption 128 and set a password. Click on choose. Now click on save. Done. Close it, delete this folder, and then when we open it, it will ask a password. Enter a password. Now you can see here all the images and files in that folder. Make sure when you use this folder, you need to eject that locked folder. Now you can see here it is not accessible. To access folder again, you need to write password again. Now the folder will appear. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.